Is Qt project pathing failed due to the qt5widgets debug library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. Before the walkthrough for qt5widgets debug library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the qt5widgets debug library, the debug runtime variant for the qt5 framework, containing diagnostic hooks and validation layers used by development builds. Applications compiled against debug Qt runtimes may fail to launch if this dependency is absent, particularly in engineering or testing environments. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scannow to restore core system components, including the missing qt5widgets debug library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including qt5widgets debug library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like qt5 widgets debug library DLL. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for qt5widgets debug library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing qt5widgets debug library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.